boys and girls, it's Miss White. Today we are on lesson number 38. It looks like this. Make sure your name is on the top. We're going to get started with some letter sounds, spelling sounds. So let's start with number 1. We have a for number 1, and that's you. Number 2 is you. So that's you again. Number 3 we have t. That's T, or as a final sound, T, comma, E, D. Number 4 we have ng. That's N, G. Number 5 we have th. T, H. Number 6 we have d. So that's D, or as a final sound, D or E, D. Number 7 we have th. That's T, H. Number 8 we have k. That's K, comma, C, or as a final sound, C, K, comma, K. Number 9, E. So that's E, comma, E, or as a final sound, E, E. Number 10, we have and that's just E. All right, make sure you have number 1 through 10 down. Pause it if you need to before I erase. And next we're going to practice spelling a couple of words. First word we're going to spell, number 11, is cost. K-A-S-T. Remember, if you didn't know that cost started with a C, if you were wondering if it was a K, we would look at that O and we would know that it's a C, because if it's an O, then we spell it with a C. Number 12 is the. This is a sight word, so we can't really sound it out, but we do know the and then the E. All right. Next, let's learn our new letter. Let's say these words together. Wind, wag, west. What sound are we hearing in the initial position? W. Wind, wag, west. W. And what letter do we think that would be? W. Ooh. W. Ooh. All right. Let's practice writing some W's. Right, for W we come down at an angle, up to the middle at an angle, back down to the bottom on an angle, and up to the top on an angle. Our lowercase w looks the same, except we start at the middle and then we kind of only go into the middle. All right. Make sure you go ahead and write a couple W's, practice. And then we're going to practice spelling with W. Actually, first let's talk about our picture card. This is something that's red, and maybe when you were younger you got pulled around in it. It is a wagon, so when we see our picture card we'll say wagon, woo. All right, let's practice spelling on number 14. We have west, w, w, e, s, and t, west. Number 15. We have with, w, w, I, th. Number 16. Went, o, n, t, o, n, t, went. All right. We also have a new sight word today. We have 2 new sight words, so we're going to write those down. You don't need to write them down. I'm going to write them down. Was and what. Both of these kind of make the sound. Oh, sorry. Both of these kind of make the sound instead of the sound. So we have was and what. So these are just sight words. They don't follow the rules. When you see them, you just have to know what they are. All right. Let's move on to some coding. Number 17 is well. We're just going to cross off that second L and a brev on the E. Number 18, win. Vowel consonant just gets a brev on the I. Number 19, west. Vowel consonant, a brev on the E. Number 20, vowel consonant, a brev on the I. And 21. We have a couple blends in there, but we don't need anything but a brev on the I. Oh, it's actually twisted, so we are going to box off our ED there. All right, let's look at those words and draw a picture, draw a line to the picture that it matches. I'm going to erase this, so make sure you pause if you don't have it down. All right, number 22. Then we're going to underline our TH digraph, and we're going to draw a line through it because it makes that V sound. And then our E, his vowel consonant, gets a brev. 23, wink. Don't have anything else going on there, but we have vowel consonant, it gets the brev. 24, flock. Underline that, cross off the C, our O gets a brev. 25, sudden. Here we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel that we just learned about. We're going to underline that. Our vowel consonant there gets a brev, and vowel consonant there gets a brev. And 26, ringing. We're going to box off our suffix ing, and then we have vowel consonant, and our I gets a brev. All right, make sure you have this written down before I erase it, and then we'll look at our homework. All right, on the back of our sheet, looks like we're going to practice some W's. On number 1, you're going to read and answer the question on number 2, and same thing on number 3, read, answer the question on number 4, and then practice your sight words. All right, I'll see you on the next video.